Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahawashi, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahawashi. Call Loyimla, YAHAWAHSHI, Yahawashi. First and foremost, I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to YAHAWAHSHI, Yahawashi, Bashim Rakakadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles, from GMS that I learned the truth from, and the brothers that they got the like-minded doctrine. And shalom to all the listeners. The Church of YAHAWAHSHI, Yahawashi. I'm here to show this video that I just got to edify the body of YAHAWAHSHI, Yahawashi. It's going into an earthquake that happened in Peru, and it's pretty, you're looking at the video, it's pretty it's a pretty serious something, all earthquake, well, not all of them, but this earthquake in particular is serious. It's like it really caused a lot of cracks and crevices in Peru. I'm just it's only 2 minutes, I'll let it play, then I'm gonna get some scriptures out. And this is the brother Abaka Laiwalam. I'm gonna let the video play.
Vamos a seguir. Ahí está. Capta. Ahí está la máquina del cargador.
Yeah, seeing that's a major earthquake, and these earthquakes are going off all throughout the world, and this is a sign that was mentioned that will be happening during the latter times, before the coming of Hamashiach Yahawashi, which the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. I'm gonna just get a scripture real quick. It's coming out of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, starting with verse 3. And it reads, "Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world, then thou shalt well understand that the Most High spake of those things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. For like as all that is made in the world had the beginning and the end is manifest." That's what's saying here. You see that if you see all these signs, uproars of the people, you see that throughout the world too. People are protesting because against discrimination. People are protesting against discrimination. Um, these earthquakes are happening throughout the throughout the earth, and I'm gonna get what the Hamashiach YAHAWAHSHI says about these times. Will it be happening? You know, it's in Matthew 24. Start Matthew 24:4. Start at verse 3. And as he sat upon the Mount of Olives, and the disciples came unto him privately, saying, Tell us, when shall these things be? And what shall be the sign of thy coming and of the end of the world? And Yahushua answered and said unto them, Take heed that no man deceive you, for many shall come in my name, saying, I am Hamashiach, and shall deceive many. I think they had some guy was saying he was the anointed over there in the land of Israel, amongst those those Ish people, saying he's the return, he was the return, and he was the Messiah that returned, something of that sort. I think I seen a video like the other day, yesterday or so, about that. But um, um going on to chapter, I'm in verse 6. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be a famine. There shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. All these are the beginning of sorrows. That's basically getting into that. That's the beginning of sorrows. You see, all this is happening right now. This is the beginning. The end is not yet, but it's these are the beginning of the end. We like in the last seconds of the final days. You see all these things what Hamashiach said. He prophecies that's spoken that'll be coming to pass in the latter days, and you see it. They said we must pray as watch as well as pray. So we supposed to watch and pray. You know, just let the video play a little bit more. That's the end of that video. Yeah, that's all I want to bring out. We just should just hold fast, and keep the faith, because it's evident, just like it says in Second Ezra, that is the end is manifest. So so we should just hold on to the faith and keep striving to the striving, you know, to meet to run the finish for the prize. Basically, to receive your crown. To the end. You must strive to the end. So I hope the body of YAHAWAHSHI will edify. To the next time, Shalom.